this video will teach you how to use JFR's curve drawing tool. The curve drawing tool is the most important basic tool in jewelry design, so be sure to use the curve drawing tool skillfully. Left-click on the simple curve icon. Click on it to create control points and generate a curve. Click on the curve to add control points. If you want to delete control points, left-click to select the control point and press the right mouse button at the same time. Repeat the operation again. Double-click to add a control point repeatedly. Double-click again to create an acute angle. Note the difference between the angle of 2 control points and 3 control points. The closer the control points are to each other, the more pronounced the angle will be. Now I want to close the curve. I need to change close to yes in the command prompt. You can toggle it by clicking on it or by pressing the hotkey D in space. Let's move on to the options on the command prompt. Curve color changes the color of the curve. There are 5 different colors. The blue color is more visible, so I'll use blue to explain it. Press space or the right mouse button to confirm. Left-click to redraw a curve. The full name of this ortho is orthogonal. When it's off, it's hard to draw vertical or horizontal curves. When it's on, it's easy to do. Note that after clicking, you should drag the mouse a bit. In orthogonal mode, clicking and dragging the control point is always vertical or horizontal. When it's off, you can move the control points freely. I'll skip the next 2 options and explain them later. The last one, enter 5 and press space to confirm. It modifies the pixel width of the curve display. I prefer a width of 2. How do I re-edit these curves after exiting? Right-click on the icon, then select the curve, and you're in the editing mode. Now I want to switch to editing another curve. Just hold Shift and click on the curve. This is the same as in JewelCAD. As long as you're in the curve editing state, you can switch between curves by pressing the Shift key. There is another hidden operation. By holding Control plus left click, you can quickly create a new curve. It's very simple. Shift plus mouse click to switch targets for editing. It takes a little time to practice and memorize these operations. It will help you do your work more efficiently. Delete the curves first. Moving on to the second curve drawing tool, vertical mirror curve. This is used to quickly create left-right symmetrical curves. The first 3 options have already been explained. Look at the next 2 options. Set plane origin is used to reset the center of the plane of the curve. You can place it anywhere you want. The center of symmetry is moved to the modified position. The symmetry can still be edited after the move. Click on it to move it further. Let's put it back here for easy observation. Set plane axis is to customize the direction of the curve axis. After modification, the curve can still be edited symmetrically. It's very easy to edit. Horizontal mirror curve. The horizontal mirror curve tool is the same as the vertical mirror curve tool, except that it is symmetrical in the direction of the x-axis. The basic operation is the same as the previous tool. With this tool, you can quickly create up and down symmetrical curves. For example, this arrow pattern. The next tool is the Revolve 180-degree curve. It draws curves that are all 180-degree symmetrical. For example, shapes like S are perfect for this tool, or filigree. Next is cycle curve. It's used to create curves of four-quadrant mirror. We usually use it to draw the profile of an object and then use it for rail tools. Another common use is to combine it with other curve tools. Right-click on the icon to edit. Turn off orthogonality, drawing a profile of a ring holder. Polygon curve. With this, we can quickly create polygons of various shapes. The command bar allows you to change the number of edges at any time. Or you can control the quantity of edges by angle. This option reverses the direction of the curve. Polygon mirror curve. It is a curve that is copied from the part of the loop divided by the auxiliary line. Created is the curve as a symmetrical. We can use it to draw some very common patterns. For example, this four-leaf clover. You can change the number of edges here. I can change it to a pentagram. This is to change the direction of the curve. It depends on each person's habit. After exiting, you can just as easily re-enter the editor. These curve tools are great for modeling jewelry. I hope you can practice more. That's all for this episode. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share this video, and subscribe to us. See you next time.